Hey everyone, back here at Colosso Breaks, and today we're doing another box break of Panini Optic Donruss Basketball. Get one autograph per box, and this is the choice Donruss, I'm sorry. A little smaller box, 8 cards only. Do these have the downtowns? Not sure. Dual signatures, maybe they do. Or maybe not, I don't know, I didn't see on the box here. Maybe it does. We'll see what we get here. It'll be nice to get one. Let's see. Find 2 exclusive rated rookie choice prisms per box average. And then find 2 hollows and 3 exclusive choice prisms per box on average. Alright, Panini Optic Donruss Basketball Choice. Here we go. Similar to the breakers, the light, less cards. Most of those base cards to go through. First pack. Let's start out. Back here we saw something. Alright, AJ Johnson rookie. Bucks. AJ Johnson. Rookie. Rated rookie. Not numbered. Yusuf Nurkic. Suns, he got traded, I believe. Oh, what a bad start already. Yusuf. Oh, nice. Eamon Thompson, not his rookie, but bad. Eamon Thompson from the Rockets. Not numbered. Auto. Keaton George. Alright. Not numbered. Auto. Optographs. Optographs. Keontae George. Jazz. A nice looking card. Alfred Sengun. Rockets are coming out. This one's number 43 out of 48. The Sengun Rockets. Oops. Look at Daniel Gafford. '21 out of 48. Gafford. 21 out of 48. Got a Andrew Nebarn. 10 out of 88. We've got a Terrence Shannon Jr. That wasn't that great. You know what? Little surprise here. We do a double box break. This is our last one. And these have been just terrible, so let's just open up the last one here. Why not? Probably won't get this product again, since it's been just not great for us here. Back again. A little 2-box break of Donruss Optic. choice. Back, Dylan Jones. Got a Dylan Jones. Back again. Keyshawn George. Wizards. Keyshawn George. Got a Trey Man. Charlotte. We're just getting, man, Trey Man. Oh, nice. Got a Steve Nash. All right, Legends. Legends, Steve Nash. Take that. And a Keyshawn George auto. Not numbered. Keyshawn George from the Wizards. This is terrible. Get this again. 46 out of 48. We got a Trace Jackson Davis. Bradley Beal. 42 out of 88. Last but not least, we got a 7 out of 8. Nice. A Jared Jackson Jr. All right. Something. 7 out of 8. Jared Jackson Jr. from Memphis. All right, well that's all we got. That's the box break, double box break of Optic Donruss Basketball Choice. We didn't do too good. Probably won't get this product again. All right, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Colosso Breaks, and we'll be back next time. Bye.